again, guys. In today's video we will show you how to get out this car of the mud. So to the other players, teach you how to get out this car of the mud, like pushing your cars, like pushing. But this car wanna have tricks. So as you can see this, when you start the car and then it's closing off speedily. So gonna be hear it, watch on the lights when it's starting or not starting, and you're gonna be hear it. And yeah, it's going off. So you're gonna be teaching now. If you ride this car, press the gas quickly like this, and then you're gonna be out the mud. So very easy for that. and and your car has not been damaged. Actually, GTA San Andreas, there's only a glitch, I don't know. So we're gonna be go out of this place where Slenderman appears here. No, just kidding. So hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, leave a like, also comments, and thank you for that. Please subscribe me to making more videos and tutorials. And I'm a killed only for this YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Bye. Bye bye.